I'm gonna roll the ball down this. Hit the
Wait a minute,
domino.
where? Roll the ball where? Not here. Whoa.
Oh, you saved it.
No, I didn't save it.
Uh-huh.
And it didn't hit directly, it hit
Yeah.
a glancing blow because it really should have knocked that over.
Whoa.
At least it was.
Whoa.
That was close. Alright.
Come on.
Sasha, while you're taking him through.
I'll roll this ball down here. Hit the domino. Go under all this. Go through this stuff. Wait, no.
Hold on.
Yeah,
Okay,
then,
go through this.
Let's just sit.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Yeah.
wait. Don't
Here.
worry.
Now come up these stairs. Hit the ball. Go through the tube. Hit the blue. Hit the blocks. Go on this swirly thing. Hit the mini dominoes. Come up here on the stairs. Hit these things. Hit the yellow. Go up the steps. Hit the yellow domino. Hit these. Hit the ball off the dice down the escalator. Hit the go over the bridge.
Uh-huh.
Turn. Go on the domino on the train track. Under that thing, which is under the tube.
Right.
Go up here. Hit the golf ball
Golf ball.
down.
Is that a golf?
Yeah, that's a golf ball.
I need to give you a different golf ball.
It'll come here, go through a swirly line of Legos, and then hit the cassette tapes and knock this tennis racket down, which will make this swing over, and hit the clock, which will hit the tower and make the man fall to his doom.
Okay.
Hey.
One man.
He's not going to die, though, right?
Yeah. On your mark.
Hold on. Dad's got to
He's got
sit.
it. Get set. Go.
Ooh.
Oh,
Oh.
Whatever.
Now, hold on. There we go. There it
Perfect.
comes.
Sasha, that was perfect.
There you go.
Oh my God. How to fit moving.
Over here. Golf ball.
Fingers crossed.
Boom, boom, boom.
Fingers
That was great.
That was super.
That was
Wow,
great.
that was unbelievable.
Really good.
That was really good, Sasha.
That was
That
great.
was
That was
great.
way up.
Does that go on
Ida
YouTube?
told me the one about the other day. He said it was fantastic.
Yeah. Okay. You can